Alexa, stop. Alexa is trying to get me copyrighted, y'all. I just want to say, get you some friends that be like, yo, let's stay in and cook tonight and have drinks.
Period.
Because that's what we're doing.
For real.
What are we making?
Some rotel.
Some rotel.
Rotel. We got this. We flying this in from Italy.
Rotel comes from Italy.
I don't know. who even created this?
It wasn't the Italians. Let me tell you that, okay? Because yeah, second generation American over here.
That's what it is.
My people came straight from Dang, do you come from Italy on a plane or a boat? I don't know, but I'm second generation American. That's what I do know. Period. And we're about to cook. She's making rotel. I'm finna cook some wings, and we got some pound cake.
Pound cake.
Cake.
For a pound.
Cake. Okay, so one thing about me is if you put me on drink duty, I'm finna have you lit. It's gonna taste like juice, but you're gonna be like in real life. So I'm finna whip up some drinks. I'm finna make some drinks. Some light, some slight. Finna make some drinks.
Big fire. I second it. Ooh.
Cause period, she don't even drink.
It's real classy. I like. It's real classy.
Period.
I like.
Alright, y'all. Last night was a vibe. How you wake up feeling?
I had a headache. So what does that tell you?
You had a good night.
I had a great night. It was such a vibe. I'm here with my girl.
Chilling, cooking.
Eating cake.
Eating cake. No, like cake though. Like,
how many pieces did you have?
Cake. I had 2. And it was really good.
I had half of one. It was good.
Sometimes you need to just like unwind and not necessarily like, you don't always gotta be outside. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just need to be like in the crib with the people that you genuinely love and just have a good time and enjoy each other's company and energy. That's kind of where I'm at in life. Cause if I'm going outside, I need to be making some money.
That's the one.
Other than that, you catch me in the crib. How about that?
Surely.
Tell me, catch me in the crib.
Surely.
How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Yeah, that's not amazing.
Yeah.
I don't want to do nothing.
I ain't want to do nothing.
What's that song about Bruno Mars?
Which one? Talking to them. Oh. Y'all see what she don't know is she came and I got these crystals all over this damn room. So that's really why she slept good as fuck, because it was surrounded by crystals.
Yeah, I slept like a baby.
Surrounded
I
by
woke
crystals.
up.
Refreshed?
Yes, because I've been tired.
Look at because benefits of living downtown connected to a hotel. Y'all, so Z thought it was a good idea, since it's so lovely outside, for us to walk downtown. And now we're hiking up a hill, and I feel like Humpty Dumpty. And I'm out of breath. Okay, all right. It's the wind for me. Is it out? Okay, y'all, so we ended up at Ponce City Market. Because there's always something to do at Ponce. And it's full of food. And we love food. We love food so much.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God.
Yeah, where you at? Yo, we are full. We done drank good, we done ate good, and we are checking the hell out.